Zippie the Zebra. Zippie is curious and full of energy. One day, Zippie finds a glowing, wiggly map. It's a magical safari map. Let's follow Zippie to explore animal homes. Elephant appears. Elephant, hoo-woo, I'm Ellie the elephant. Monkey swings down. Monkey, ooh, I'm Momo the monkey. Snake slithers in. Snake, I'm Slinky the snake. Say it with me. Ellie the elephant, poo-woo, Momo the monkey. Ooh, Slinky the snake. Dolphin jumps. Dolphin, ee, I'm Dolly the dolphin. Fish swims past. Fish, blub blub, I'm Finny the fish. Octopus wiggles in. Octopus, wiggle wiggle, I'm Ollie the octopus. Swim like Dolly, blub like Finny, wiggle like Ollie. Cow, moo, I'm Clara the cow. Pig, oink oink, I'm Pippa the pig. Chicken, cluck cluck, I'm Charlie the chicken. Moo like Clara, oink with Pippa, cluck with Charlie. Let's say it loud. Camel, grunt grunt, I'm Cammy the camel. Lizard, click click, I'm Lyle the lizard. Scorpion, snip snap, I'm Sammy the scorpion. Grunt like Cammy, click like Lilo, snap like Sammy. Penguin, waddle waddle, I'm Penny the penguin. Polar bear, growl, I'm Puffy the polar bear. Whale, whoosh, I'm Wally the whale. Waddle with Penny, growl with Puffy, whoosh with Wally. What do you hear? What do you see? It's a jungle party with Zippie and me. Say moo, say roar, say cluck cluck too. Let's learn the animals, just me and you. Yay, you did it. Let's learn and dance again soon.